My name is Alhaji Kazim Yisa Balogun, the leader of SYMFONI Omo Yoruba in Rivers State.
Tell us, what is the gathering all about? Yoruba people gathering this morning for movement. Tell us, what is it?
Yeah, the gathering is all about SYMFONI, which means united as one. For all of us in Yoruba, in Rivers State, to come together and unite as one. At the same time, we are celebrating the coming of democracy that returned back to Rivers State. At the same time, we appreciate everything that goes on in Rivers State, and we live in Rivers State, we do business in Rivers State, we do everything in Rivers State. So we are very happy to put ourselves together and unite so that we can move a train, so that we can achieve our goals in Rivers State.
What will be your message to your fellow Yoruba people concerning the set goal of Yoruba in Rivers State?
My message to my good Yoruba people in Rivers State is that I want everybody to be abiding citizens in Rivers State, at the same time to unite as one, so that we can do our business in Rivers State, do everything that we do in Rivers State, so that we can progress in Rivers State. So that united is the most common thing, and we will achieve our goal in Rivers State.
Actually, I'm very happy for what is happening today, because I'm one of the bona fide members of SYMFONI Omo Yoruba in Rivers State, and I was specialized on Yoruba students. I'm the leader. I was choosing to be the leader of all the Yoruba students in all the institutions in Rivers State. So we are looking to their affairs, the program, the development of our Yoruba students in all the institutions in Rivers State, Uniport, UST, in all tertiary institutions in Rivers State. So we are protecting all the Yoruba ethnic groups. And we thank our excellencies, Governor Fubara. He supports our agenda, and we all know that in Rivers State today we have a large number of Yorubas in Rivers State. So we want to show the Rivers State people that we Yoruba, we have a very large number in Rivers State, and we don't want Yoruba people to be skipped out in the scheme of things in Rivers State. We want the Rivers State government to know that we Yoruba are peacemaker, and we always observe peace, and we don't have problem in Rivers State. We don't have problem with any institution in Rivers State. So we are very happy for today's program, and I want all the Yoruba people in Rivers State to join SYMFONI Omo Yoruba. And all the Yoruba students are with us today. So in the UST, in Uniport, all Yoruba students, we are protecting them. So we don't want anything that will harm to them, that will harm them. So that is one of the missions that we know that Yoruba people, Yoruba students have been given scholarship in Rivers State. So we still want that thing to continue. We want the Rivers State government to know that We have a large number of Yoruba students in Rivers State, and everything will be okay. So thank you very much. Again, in another dimension, we also use this opportunity to celebrate the new coming of a democracy rule in Rivers State, and we are very happy that our Governor Similaye Fubara, is returned to the Rivers State. So we are very happy. All the Yoruba people are very happy because Governor Similaye Fubara supports Yoruba people in Rivers State. We all support him, and we will make sure that we will always be with him at any time. We cannot leave him because he recognizes Yoruba people in any area. Our Yoruba students are enjoying. Our people are enjoying. There's no problem. There's a peace in Rivers State. We don't have any problem in Rivers State. So we are very happy that the returning of democracy rule in Rivers State, we are very happy for that. We want to thank our president, President Tinubu, for listening to the ear of masses and return the democracy rule in Rivers State so that people can enjoy. So we are very happy for that. So thank you very much. My name is Honorable Agbaje Ibrahim.
This is the first time that this situation is happening in River State. Yoruba Itesiwaju, Yoruba Itesiwaju, Omo Yoruba Itesiwaju in River State, where we are trying to make sure that we Yoruba in the River State, we are comes as a one families. So, and also we are trying to make sure that to help each other. If there's any one of us that have any challenge or problem, we are going to stand up and rescue the person. Also, we gather ourselves today to celebrate our coming back of our governor, River State, Similaye Fubara. So that's the reason why we are trying to make sure to know that Yoruba and River State, we are one family and we are supporting for coming back to the government.
My name is Alhaja Nurat Gambari, the woman leader of Itesiwaju. I'm so happy that Yoruba have united in this state because unity is the most parallel issue in the state we are having, we Yorubas, and we gathered here today as one. I'm so happy and so delighted.
My role is I'm a part of the medical team. As we all know, we can't left it behind because the safety and the medical of every one of our members is very, very important and it's paramount to us. That's why we are here to cover this visit.